let's understand how to work with Snowflake and Power BI. A nice, interesting, secured connection, colorful connection. Let's see. Let's understand slowly, step by step. Here it is. I'll just open the notes for our Power BI connections. Yep, here it is. In your computer, you have Power BI desktop installed. If not, please get your Power BI desktop installed, and then Power BI desktop is a tool, free tool, lifelong free tool. You install it. Then you can connect to Snowflake, bring the data for analytics. But what are the connection items? Let's start from the connection items. How to get Snowflake server name, and then once we get the Snowflake server name, once we are ready, we'll come to the left side black box your computer and then start performing the required activities one by one. First, let's launch our browser. Go to Snowflake Cloud URL. Ignore the HTTPS and consider the remaining string. xyz.region.cloudprovider.snowflakecomputing.com. Okay, this one. Go to Snowflake. It will take you to your account. This is my account. Let me sign into my Snowflake account first. Copy this complete account. There are recent changes to Snow site early this month, Feb 2024. Okay, so see if you need to refer to the portal once again, but almost all changes are easily manageable, easily connected. For now, I'll copy this complete URL. Copy the complete URL. I'll take a notepad and paste it. This is the Snowflake URL. From this Snowflake URL, what we do? Extract only this information. app.snowflake.com and ABC XYZ. Two parts are there. Next, what we do here? Observe carefully. From this URL, we need to identify the locator and account. Identify the locator and the account. We get the content ready. What next? Here we go. Or other alternative. You can go back to Snowflake, go to admin, accounts. Click on the account. Here you see one URL, right? This one. Click on the account. Okay, click on the account. Give the account ID. Okay, here it is. From here also you get the account ID. This one. This is the account ID. Okay, alternative. Account ID just to verify. Then this is the locator URL. Copy the locator URL. This one. Okay, this one. Locator URL. Account ID ready. Locator URL ready. In the locator URL, you can just ignore this HTTPS. Okay, now locator URL ready. A dot, B dot, something like that. Next. Then what we do? Yes, we need to download Power BI desktop, install it. So here we go. Step number 1, download Power BI desktop, and once you download, launch Power BI desktop. Go to Power BI desktop, get data, search Snowflake. Download, install Power BI. Go to Power BI desktop. Here it is. Let's launch Power BI desktop, and you can choose any one, either desktop or desktop RS. Any one tool is okay. You need to specify the locator URL, warehouse name, database, tables. Let's do it carefully. First, locator URL, this one. You got this locator URL, right? Let's keep it ready. Launch, is a free tool. Just download, double click and start the installation. Go to Power BI desktop. Go to Power BI desktop, then click on this one. Close the window. Close the welcome screen. Click on get data, more. Click on get data, more. Get data, more. Search Snowflake. Okay, we get our Snowflake here. Click on connect. Click on connect. Provide the server name, warehouse. Server name will be the locator. Server name will be the locator, warehouse. So go to your Snowflake account warehouse. Take the required warehouse, maybe a small, large, whatever warehouse you want. Just take one warehouse. I'll say compute WH. Advanced option, we can also provide role name, timeout, database name, and SQL. These are all completely optional. For now, you got the server and warehouse. So Snowflake server is nothing but the locator URL, remember. It will ask you for the next screen, username, password. Where to find the username? Go to Snowflake account, users. You might have created multiple users. Make sure you use any user which have permissions for data access. I will use the built-in account. I'll use this account I created during the Snowflake account configuration. I'll provide that account name and I'll provide the password. Okay, I'll make sure I provide the correct login details. Next, once you specify the account details, click on connect. Just click on connect. It would take some time, and let's wait. We should be able to get one prompt. I repeat again, Snowflake server name is nothing but locator URL, and we get one prompt like this. For my account, for my SQL school account, I have access to all these databases. Let me select one particular database, for example, a Snowflake database. For now, I'll take the default built-in system database, Snowflake user database, which is automatically coming by default on account creation. And I'll take some schema. This is a schema. Data sharing usage schema. You have multiple items here. So Snowflake database, multiple schemas, and I'll go for one schema here, any one schema of our choice. Some tables are there. Let's select one particular table. Let's read the data. Let's preview the data first. So this is my data preview. Usernames. I have some categories for reporting usernames, and for example, some query start times, etc. Or you may take a different table of your choice. I'll just quickly take one particular table, any one table of our choice. I think this is better. I'll take this access history and click load. Click on load. I just click on load here. Once we click load, what happens? Let's wait for some time. We get one connection string like this. Give the connection string. Import. Okay. Import. Click OK. Import means all data in Power BI, all data from Snowflake will be imported to Power BI in memory space. Direct query means Power BI in memory will not be importing any data from Snowflake. Instead, we read it live connection. For historical data sources, import. For smaller data sources, import. If not, direct query. I repeat, historical data sources, smaller data sources, then go for import. If not, go for direct query. Click OK. Just click OK. So what we are doing now, we are bringing the data from Snowflake into Power BI for further reporting activities. Now let's understand in a different style. Let's understand in a different style here. For example, you have, I'll just put this way. I'll take you to worksheets. I'll just take you back to Snowflake first. And worksheets. I have some data in my Azure account. Okay. I have some data in my Azure account. I created a table with your own customized columns. You create a table. You import data from your Azure account or AWS storage, whatever, to Snowflake, say external stage. Okay, something like this. Now let's make it simple and straight. Let's make our learning process meaningful. Firstly, what we do here, let's put this way. Okay, like this. I'll have a Azure storage. This is my cloud Azure storage. Azure storage, and this Azure storage has container and data. Yesterday's class. Please, are we getting my items now? Are we getting my point? Please, mic with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Mic with everyone. Please check it. Yesterday's class we got Azure storage, right? From Azure storage, what we did next? Come on, please help me. What we did next yesterday?
Created stage.
Exactly. This is our stage, okay? This is our stage.
External stage.
Yes. Using this stage, what we did yesterday?
We imported data in
import the
Snowflake.
data to our Snowflake, right?
Snowflake.
Yesterday's class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so to Snowflake warehouse, this one. So this is our Snowflake. Okay, here it is. And inside Snowflake, you got the data into inside Snowflake, you get your data inside a table. Now what we are doing today? Yes, here it is. You get the storage, Snowflake database ready. Now using this locator URL, we connect to Power BI.
Yeah.
That's it. This is our example now. Please, are we getting it? I'll wait. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait.
Are we using yesterday's example and we continue it to connect it with Power BI,
exactly.
right?
Yes, we are doing now. Yes. Come on, please, everyone. Are we getting it now? Our next step.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Yep. Let's continue. Okay. So how to do this? So we are bringing the data from storage. Not only storage. Let's make it more useful now. Okay. I'll take it as a data source. This is our data source. Inside data source, bear with me for a few moments. I'll make it more meaningful. This is from yesterday's class. But day before yesterday, what we did? We got 3 stages, right? You remember, please, everyone? User stage, right? Table stage.
Yes, user stage, table stage, name stage, external
Name
stage.
stage. This is external stage. So this is named stage and this is external stage now. I'm just making it generic. This is table stage and this is user stage. Okay, like this. And database is not alone, right? Database is not alone. This database is protected by multiple items in Snowflake environment. So you have something called warehouse, a cloud Spark cluster called warehouse, DW, right? This is our DW, something like this. Spark cluster, nothing but Snowflake warehouse, compute. Warehouse compute is ready, this one. Then what next? This entire item is identified by a locator URL like this. And you have a user also, right? Isn't it? There should be some users involved here. I'll just, for future reference, if you see the diagram, we should be able to get the complete lyrics. I'll take user, okay? Something like this, a user. Insert a user here, this one. So warehouse should be there, user should be there, a valid user. And now let's continue our remaining part of the example, continuing yesterday's class. This is the actual concept now. Let's go to our yesterday's item. Let's go to our yesterday's item. Yesterday what we did, we created an external stage, import the data. So the database is SQL School DB ETL schema. Let's verify the table first. And I was giving a task item how to get proper columns. Did you get the answer? I was asking this question yesterday, right? How to get proper columns for this table?
Yeah, I think you gave it right on the.
Yes,
Let's see.
I already gave the things. Yep. Please refer to yesterday's notes carefully. You already have the answer inside it. I'll continue now how to bring this data into Power BI. What we do, I'll repeat, okay? Just for easy understanding, I'll repeat it. I'll delete and repeat. Get data, and more, okay, more. I'll take it as, I'll just type it as Snowflake, storage, connect. Let's wait. Provide the server URL, nothing but our locator URL, okay, this one. Warehouse. You can give this warehouse compute WH. Compute WH. Give some warehouse, click OK. What else? That SQL School ETL DB is there, right? And ETL schema. Select the table. Click load. Click load. Now remember, in real world, we don't directly load. No. We need to first format the data. Make it ready for reporting. So go to transform. Observe carefully. Data analysts, data engineers would be involved in transformations as well. Click on transform. What kind of transformations? Two major important transformations we need to do. One is detecting the data types. Data types play a vital role. Based on the type of data, we need to specify whether it is category column or summary column, etc. So select all columns and detect data type. This is very, very important. By default, you see everything as ABC only, text data. We are now giving it as 1.2 means decimal, ABC means text. Detect the data type. That is very important. And rename the column country. This is my actual company. Okay, SQL School, SQL Gate, these are our companies. SQL Gate, we do data hosting for a few startups in Hyderabad and Bangalore. Very recently, by God's grace, we bagged one contact from UK company as well. For data hosting and data support, we do. And our school, usual trainings. Say company, and then month, okay, month. Next. This is, for example, sale 1. I'll say sale value 1. Okay, something like this. Or say, for example, sale 2021. say some historical data, sale 2022 and something called sale 2023, like this, some old historical data. Then finally close and apply. What is that? Close and apply. Now we are able to get perfect solid data for reporting, ready for reporting. So what we are doing here, we are involving something called Power Query to fine tune, to slice, to transform, to mash up the data. Without that, it won't work. Now see there, integers I said, right? So summary values. For example, see here, click on tree map or any visualization, country wise sales. Nice, beautiful report from Snowflake. Country wise sales, and here it is. Or country wise, company wise sales. Or country wise, company wise sales for each month. Go to labels and data labels on, something like this. Remember, if I don't transform data, I don't see this data type items. Transformation of data plays a vital role. Yes, are we getting the concept, please? I'll wait. I'll wait, please. Are we getting it now? Any questions? Let me know. I'll wait. Yes, please, everyone. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait. Mic with everyone,
Yes, sir.
please. Yep.
Yes, sir. When you bring the data in, doesn't Power BI auto detect the data type for you?
It will detect, brother. It will detect the data type, but at the source, let me put this way, brother. Yesterday's class. See the problem.
Okay.
Why? Because my source is CSV. In CSV, every column would be text only, right? Isn't it?
Right. Okay.
See, we cannot, restrict the client to have specific data types. It's our duty to reformat the content to appropriate data types, isn't it?
Okay.
My client gave me CSV file or Excel file. They don't know data types, right? They don't know much about data types. They means CSV, JSON, text file, etc. My database knows data type, but I no need to really involve much about it because we are not doing analytics there. We do analytics in Power BI, so we need to care much about data types here. That is important.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks.
Next question, please. I'll wait. We'll stop for today then. Yes, Swarupa, Siddharth, Rajveer, others, Farihin, are we clear? Please.
Sir, can you please explain little that Power BI from just I missed that part actually.
Tell me, brother, which one? Let me know.
Power BI, yes, from opening the screen and just quick, just give a 5 minutes, sir.
This one,
Starting
get
from
data, right? Get data
no,
more here. This one.
no, not this one. From starting, sir, means how you went to Power BI and
This one.
that part only.
Launch Power
Yes.
BI. Okay.
From Azure, launch Power BI.
Once you launch
Azure,
Power
then
BI, you get this screen.
yes.
Get data
Okay.
more.
More. Okay.
Then Snowflake. Okay.
Then
Type this Snowflake.
Okay.
Click
Okay.
connect.
Then connect.
That's it.
Got it.
From there, it will ask you for
Okay.
locator URL. You know it, right? Locator URL, selecting warehouse database. You know it?
Yes. Just okay. Locator URL, then warehouse. Okay.
That's it.
Locator, then advanced option.
No, don't go for advanced options. Simply click OK. Enough. It will ask you for the
Okay.
database
Fine.
name, table name. That's it.
Okay. Then okay. Got it. Then this one you import from the file. That can you choose.
So once you provide the database name, table name, import the data. Yes.
Yeah, get data from that is from get data, no, or which one? Import? No. Import is from where?
You get a prompt. Once you provide the table, database name, table name, then you get a prompt to import.
Okay, then okay, import. Got
Yes.
it.
This one, firstly get data. Once you say get
Hmm.
data, then import.
We get the prompt. Okay.
Import.
Then in this you selected which option? Import from file. No.
Just
From
simply say import. That's it. No file there. Just simply say import.
okay. I got it.
Then transform.
Import. Then transform, correct. Don't
Then
not direct load. In transform, you change the column names.
exactly.
You change
Exactly.
the data type.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Okay. No, sir. Actually, once we do practical, we'll get to know more because
Exactly. I'll send you the video for today's class. Please go through it carefully.
yeah, that will be good, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Others, any more questions, please? I'll wait.
Reporting tool like
You know,
Tableau or some.
dashboard, it comes in publishing. Once you publish, then you have dashboards.
Okay.
That is different concept. Cloud concept.
So DBT tool, what it will do means it will before coming to Snowflake, it will do
left
the
side.
entire work.
Exactly, brother. DB2 tool is here. Instead of stage, you use DBT tool. That's it.
Okay. So this is basically if you don't have any online support, so then they will go for DBT tool.
You
Correct,
don't
no?
want any online support, then DBT tool. You want online support, then Azure or AWS or Databricks. Anyhow.
Okay. Maybe, sir, some company also they keep online, also they keep offline, like putting database or something like that. I don't know, but
Sometimes, yes. In such a case, yeah, you may need to have both. Yeah, it depends.
so you are telling that Azure Databricks, that one is like online one, means like a data stage one.
It's not about online. See, everything is online actually, but that has got cloud support actually. Cloud.
Yeah, cloud support, yes.
Yes. Fine, friends. We'll stop for today. Please practice all the items carefully.